Okay, so I put in the deep conditioner in. As you saw, I combed it out. And now I left it for 24 hours. And now I'm going to take it off. Post-workout. As you can see, look at it. It's nice and soft. Oh my God, guys, it's so soft. So since I'm gonna hop in the shower, I will detangle it here. Or maybe I should just do that in the shower with you guys. But this, look at it. Super defined and super shiny. Like, I mean, look at it. And that's just with that deep conditioner. Super pumped about it. So I'm gonna wash it out. And today's Friday. I was planning on doing a twist out, and like I should have did that last night, but your girl was tired and she fell asleep with the conditioner on, which is totally fine. Just more moisture and stuff for my hair. I mean, I'm in love. So now I'm just gonna wash my hair and do a wash and go. So check you guys out later. So I just got out the shower, washed my hair. I'll show you guys, a garlic shampoo, and then I used Miracle something. I'll share it with you guys, of course. So as you can see, I did the lazy way. I didn't want to untangle because I already untangled it, so I just left the braids and washed my hair just like that, and works totally fine. I already put in my leave-in conditioner, which is by I Love to Do, Tame the Frizz, something like that. So this is going to be my quick summer go-to, whatever, because let's face it, I have kids and I don't have time to be fixing my hair all the time, but I also want to look cute. So I'm going to try something. Let's see how that works. So I'm going to be using this. I don't want to take out the the curls. I'm being super duper lazy. So I'm just gonna massage this in here on already fresh, washed, clean, dripping wet hair. Let's see how this works out. Nobody got time in the beginning, you know? I gotta do things before these kids wake up, and because Langston is napping right now, you know? I know you feel me, girl. I know you feel me. I know you feel me. So I'm doing this so fast. And I was like, you know what? Let me try this out. Let's see how this works. I put Leighton in the tub. Me and toys. Langston is napping. Liam's in school. So let's try this. I'm also going to be using this. And why not share it with you guys? I hope it works, because your girl, I want to look nice, but I also don't want to be doing my hair for a long time. So, I mean, it feels so far. It's good so far. Oh, I think I hear nice one already. Okay, next side. And of course, if I had time, I wouldn't even do my hair like this. Because I love doing my hair, like, you know, taking the time. It just feels relaxing to me. But I don't have that much time. I got to be out the door by 2 o'clock. It is now 07. I'm going to be at the bus stop to pick Liam up. Uh-oh. My definition looks cute so far, you know. See? So now I'm going to take it off. Just to make sure I get it good back there. So I could comb through the product. Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna call this the Let's Be Lazy Wash and Go. Cause let's be lazy during the summer, mom life. Wash and go. Cause it's freaking working, and I'm not even mad. And how long have I been doing it? Maybe 5 minutes. Like, no lie. Usually I take forever to do my wash and goes. This worked out pretty good for me thus far. Will I dry it? No, probably not. I'll just let it air dry. Nobody got time for all that. Just put a little bit more. Because you know your girl loves her definition. And this brush will give it to ya. Look at that, guys. Oh, I love it. Oh my God, I love it. I actually really love it, guys. Like, I really love it. Because like I said in my other videos, my hair works better when it's in twist out. So I guess from it being overnight with the conditioner and then me applying the product with the twists, I am getting the results I usually get when I do my hair. That takes me hours. No, not hours. Maybe like 30, 40 minutes. I love it. What do you guys think so far? And no one's crying and no one has called me yet. Like, win-win, Mama Bear. Today's Friday, and it is 78 degrees out here in New York City. Nah, I should have left the twist out stick. This side of my hair is it's a bit of an extra bitch. She needs that extra love and attention. That is horrible because like I said, I enjoy the time. But sometimes, like with the kids, oh, this so annoying. Oh, look at your girl. She is looking fly. Look at this. Oh, still got one twist out going on back here. And the awesome part is I detangled my hair already yesterday. So today I washed out the deep conditioner. I washed it with the twist out. Like, I didn't take it off. This is why I prefer to detangle my hair beforehand. Because just look at this diva right here, man. Look at it. Literally took me 10 minutes, maybe, tops, to do this. And I looks cute. Catch you later. I gotta get ready.